Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi A3 and the Volkswagen Passat B6. The Audi A3 is a premium compact car, often chosen for its sporty feel and upscale interior. In contrast, the Volkswagen Passat B6 serves as a robust mid-size family vehicle, prioritizing space and comfort. We will explore their distinct characteristics, from performance to practicality, to help you decide which car better suits your needs. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to performance, the Audi A3 typically delivers a more engaging and sporty driving experience, with its compact size contributing to agile handling. Engine options often include turbocharged petrol and diesel units, providing responsive power. The Passat B6, however, focuses on a comfortable and composed ride, making it excellent for highway cruising and family trips. It also features a wide array of engines, from efficient four-cylinders to powerful V6 options, offering up to 300 horsepower in some variants. Inside, the Audi A3 boasts a more premium and driver-focused cabin, characterized by high-quality materials and sophisticated technology. It offers a refined experience, though space is more compact. The Volkswagen Passat B6, on the other hand, excels in practicality, providing substantially more passenger room and a larger boot. For instance, the Passat Sedan typically offers 565 liters of cargo space, compared to the A3 Sportback's approximately 380 liters, making the Passat a clear winner for family needs. Regarding reliability, both the Audi A3 and Passat B6 have some known common issues, such as potential problems with their DSG automatic gearboxes and certain engine components like oil pumps or turbochargers. The Audi A3, being a premium brand, generally holds a higher resale value and can be more expensive to maintain. Conversely, the Volkswagen Passat B6 often presents a more budget-friendly option, offering excellent value for its size and features, particularly when considering used models. Your choice depends on prioritizing premium feel versus sheer practicality and cost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.